Alrighty, Chef Buck here, and I'm gonna watch Camera Girl make a salad, which is very exciting. She got a fresh heart of palm, and this is what she did with it. What you got there, Camera Girl? That's a ginormous plastic wrapped thing. What is it?
It's a heart of palm.
Now, we usually buy this in the can.
Right, and it usually has either a little bit of brine or whatever.
Okay.
But a coworker was very generous, and her family went to Hawaii where there's a farm where they grow heart of palm. So this is fresh heart of palm.
And that's like, what's that, like a 1.5 feet long? That looks like a damn lightsaber. This is the inside of a palm.
It's also known as swamp cabbage, although I guess that name has gone out of vogue.
This is a prop from a gangster movie. Man, that's a tough looking.
Yeah.
This is like a club. This is something Jimmy Hoffa and his boys would use, I guess.
So this side looks fresher. So
Just
this side, I'm guessing this is closer to the base.
Okay.
Because it's a little more fibrous.
Yeah. But this is gonna be the semi-main ingredient in your salad that you're gonna make, huh?
Yeah. Whoa. Go Buck. Go Buck. Ooh. So it doesn't have any smell either, does it? Does it have a smell now?
No.
Okay.
Not really. You just want to peel off this outer part.
I'd experience to do this.
Yeah.
There you go.
Alright, so this is the outer hull, which we don't want to eat. It's very fibrous. You can hear that sound. I say no to that. So we're not going to eat this part.
All right.
So this is the heart of palm that you're going to use for the salad. Do you need more than this?
Well, you know how I am with measuring.
This is going to be a little more than a cup. What kind of bean
Beans.
to heart of palm ratio do you want? Because as you can see, that's what that's going to be. Alrighty, so here you got 15 ounces of mixed beans. This is
Yeah, and you can use anything you want.
Kidney beans and pinto beans.
I admit I sort of chose them for color, but I also thought
well, no,
about
that's good. You should
black-eyed
definitely
peas
think about
or
color
whatever.
while you're thing in the middle.
Then
there.
we want it sort of fatter so that you can actually taste it.
Okay.
We're just gonna cut it up.
Now usually when we use heart of palm, we just buy it in the can and slice it and throw it in a salad, which is basically what we're going to do here with this fresh heart of palm. But this actually has
It's a nice crunch.
a much better
Texture.
texture. Sometimes when we get in a can, it's very soft.
Exactly, and still bland.
And this is very soft here, and it's got a very mild flavor.
Mm-hmm. So that's why we're gonna fix it
Almost
all
a
up.
creaminess.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
One side of it's more creamy than the other. One side's more crunchy.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell you're talking about there.
Should have.
What did you do? Okay, so you're putting in about a cup of the heart of palm.
Almost. It's not quite. I almost
one
think.
can
You know
of
what?
beans.
Let's do that. Let's make it a whole cup.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure, definitely. Add a little bit more. You do a very good job on it. It is kind of tough to get in there. Putting your full body force. Look at. Oh boy, that's the look of someone about to lose their thumb. Look at that. There you go. Alright, so now we got a little over a cup of heart of palm mixed in with our can of beans, and you're going to add
3
some
scallions.
fresh cut greens. You got some
Some green onion.
green onions. Alrighty, boom. Fresh cilantro.
Which we love. And then I think I cut too much. I'm just going to put like a teaspoon. This is minced ginger.
Yeah. I don't think you can have too much ginger, but maybe too
I don't
much
either.
raw ginger.
Yeah, so we're just gonna.
That's good.
We're gonna see what happens.
About a teaspoon of ginger. Yeah, that looks pretty hearty and tasty. Yeah.
Now we're gonna make up a dressing to go with it.
Okay. What do you got?
Yeah, this is just rice vinegar. Since the
Alright.
heart of palm doesn't have a lot of flavor, I don't want a vinegar that's overwhelming. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice plus a little bit of zest,
Alrighty.
because we like zest. I'm gonna add some soy sauce.
Alrighty. And we use the low sodium soy sauce most of the time.
We have an extra virgin olive oil.
For this kind of salad, Like we have different kinds of olive oils. We have extra light olive oil that we use for cooking, but whenever you're going to use an olive oil for a salad, you know, it's always nice to use a nice thick extra virgin olive oil, a good dark flavorful oil.
A little bit of pepper. I don't think we need salt because we'll see. But just some fresh ground pepper.
Yeah, some fresh pepper, and maybe not gonna need any salt because the soy sauce will have a lot of salt in it.
Exactly.
Even though we're using low sodium soy sauce, still that's pretty salty stuff.
Okay, let's see.
Alrighty, so you got your dressing mixed up.
Let's just mix that in.
This is a super simple salad using fresh heart of palm. I think it's very good. It's a good dressing. It's a good combination.
Yeah, something simple. Mmm. Mmm.
Yep.
It is good. Nice and simple.
Yeah. She got out some pepper. We thought we might put some Dijon in there, or maybe some orange.
I had capers. I had all kinds of stuff.
No, that's a good. That's very simple and that's good. And it's just what it needs.
Awesome.
Alrighty, boom. There you have it. A little bit of heart of palm salad. You could get a canned heart of palm. You know how many people are going to have one of these? I don't know. Do they sell this at the grocery store? I've never even really noticed.
No, I haven't seen
Sold
it at
at the store like that. Not
Asian
around here.
store either, or the Indian market.
Okay.
But
So if you don't have fresh heart of palm, just get you some canned heart of palm. You know, which isn't going to be as awesome as fresh heart of palm, but
you know if they could add then celery, because this has a crunch. Which if you get it canned, you won't have a crunch.
Yeah, canned heart of palm doesn't have the crunch. So boom, if you're going to use canned heart of palm, then I would add in a little bit of celery. That is a great idea.
Celery, watercress.
No, water chestnuts.
Water chestnuts.
Water chestnuts suck.
Roasted sunflower seeds or almonds.
Oh, sure, definitely.
That would be a crunch too.
That's always good for a salad.
Yeah.
But there you have it. Boom, heart of palm salad with beans.
Thank you, Amy and family. Woo!
So go ahead and give this recipe a try. Let us know what you think. And bon appetit. Alrighty, well thanks for watching and you know, liking the video and commenting, right? Because every time you comment, an angel gets its wings. I saw in a movie one time.